What is up, guys, and welcome to another machine check. Today we're checking out Newton's 2010 Evolution 10. On the dyno, this Evo 10 has pumped out 600 kilowatts at the wheels on E85. On a street tune though, it makes 575 kilowatts on 30 pounds of boost. And for boost, the Evo is running a Precision 6062 turbocharger rated to 750 horsepower on a custom Pro Street performance manifold. Man, look at the positioning of this manifold, the wastegate tucked down there. This is a work of art, guys, man. There's a lot to package in a small, tight space. And on the inlet side, there's a billet RZ Racing intake plenum with 80mm Outlander throttle body. And the block's running a 2.2 litre stroker kit from Manly with forged pistons, rods and crank. The 4B11 head is packing Calford cams, Supertech valves and has been ported and polished. And it's the little details I love, the custom heat shielding keeping everything protected and all the wiring out of the way. And everywhere you look there's custom parts. Look at this Pro Street Performance catch can, what a tidy setup. There's even a cover for the power steering reservoir. And on this side, High-Tech Motorsport made these custom covers. The Heltech ECU lives under this one, keeping the heat away from vital engine parts. Next up, we're taking the Evo 10 for a couple of street pulls to see what it's like. Hold on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Sheesh. Man, that throws me back in my seat. Far out. I'm so impressed with this car. It does everything so well. It cruises nicely, and it has so much power, man. Hold on, this is so good. Sheesh! Man, what a street weapon this car is, but still practical enough to load it up with the family and head out for the day. What a sick car. And for cooling, the Evo 10's running a Plasma Man front mount intercooler and a Koya Rad. For fueling, the car's running 1700cc Bosch injectors. It's running 3 fuel pumps, an in-tank and 2 external pumps with a surge tank, all by Bosch. Putting the power to the ground is a twin plate clutch going through the factory gearbox and transfer case, but out back it's running full RS running gear with the AYC deleted. For braking, the Evo 10s come factory fitted with Brembo 4 pots up front and 2 pots on the rear. This one's been fitted with aftermarket slotted discs. For suspension, this Evo's running BC adjustable coilovers. And on the front, this Evo wears custom number plates, use and boost. It has VLAN headlights and factory option aero front lip. On the rear, the car's running aftermarket tail lights and factory option aero parts. And for wheels and tires, it's running DK Racing wheels in 9.5 inch wide all round with 245 RE003 Bridgestone Potenzas. And on the interior, it's running a Heltech IC7 digital dash, showing all the vital engine perimeters and keeping it safe. Another cool feature is the integrated Heltech digital keypad with all the key functions the car needs. If you want to rock the freshest gear, Corner Hunter Clothing has just dropped 2 new designs, Neon Streets and Corner Hunter Motors. Man, if you love your JDM street gear, you got to check this out at cornerhunter.co.nz. And that was a better look at Newton's savage street Evo 10. Man, what an absolute weapon and an all-round street car. If you guys like this content and want to check out more machine checks, check out the machine check playlist. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll keep the content coming.